okay, okay. Jeez, alright. Oh, okay, okay. Whoa. I guess you're in the mood for banana. Gotta peel it more. No, don't eat the peel. Hanging out a tower. You gonna pose for me now? Is that what we're doing? Are we posing? Have the last bit of banana. Well, that's pretty impressive. That's a quarter of a banana there you just kind of swallowed whole. That's pretty impressive. That's why you're fat. That's why you're fat. That's why you're fat, because you swallow half a banana whole. That's right.